This is how to check your rewards on the actual polkadot.js.org website.
So once you've made your contributions, you can come back here to the Polkadot.js site, and you'll see it'll show. This morning I contributed to Integrity and BitCountry, so you see it says my contributions, and then you see the ones that I contributed to in the past: Kilt, Karura, Kala. I contributed to a couple of other ones, but they were on exchanges and they won't show here. Now, in order to find your Karura, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up here and you're going to make sure that it's on Kusama first. When you first come to this site, it's gonna look like this. When you first come to the Polkadot.js site, it's gonna look like this. Watch mine take forever loading up too.
I guess a lot of people are on. It's popular.
So it'll look like this. You're going to want to click up here where it says Polkadot. You want to click on the little caret. You're going to want to switch it to Kusama, and you're going to want to come down to Karura. Okay. And then you're going to want to hit switch.
Now, does it matter which of those networks it was on? It gave you a few options. You're on network 2. Does that matter?
No, I don't ever mess with the network thing. So then you're going to want to click accounts. Sometimes it might not show up right away. If it doesn't show up right away, you come up to your okay, you want to change this because this is the address. This is the one that I use for the crowd loans. Just pick it up this one right here because I have it on Karura's network. So if it's not picking it up, you want to come over here and you want to change this to Karura.
Mm-hmm. And then refresh, yeah.
Refresh the page, and then it should pull it up.
They are working on a way to make it a little bit more aesthetically easy.
See, that's how you'll be able to see your rewards.
Yeah.
So if you come in and you see your account and you guys probably won't have that well, you might have that problem because if it's not on the Karura network, you won't be able to see your Karura tokens. And this is the process that we're going to be doing when we're checking our rewards for all of these different projects.
Yes.
So like when we get our rewards for BitCountry, for instance, we're going to come here and we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to have to make sure that our Polkadot extension is on whatever network that it needs to be on in order for us to claim our tokens, you know, Polkadot, Bifrost, Centrifuge, whatever network that it is that we have to be on. Some of them might just stay on the Kusama relay chain because I don't see all of them here.
Could you put allow you on any chain? What happens when you do that? Would I allow you to see everything?
Let's see.
That might be the most simplistic way. And then Monda said when she goes to claim the Karura, does she have to? I would be on the.
Looks like it works.
Yeah.
I don't know what this little thing is right here. Oh, okay. It's just like, you know, that's available on all networks. Okay, so yeah, just leave it on all networks.
And if she wants to pull that Karura out, how does she do that?
You just withdraw it right here. You can send it, but remember, some of your Karura is locked up. You know, we're not able to send all of it. I think we're only allowed to send like 30%, if I'm not mistaken. So some of it's locked up.
Yeah, it says how much at the top of the screen. So it says total transferable right there out of what your total projected earnings will be.
Yeah, and it says how much is locked right there. I didn't even see that. Thank you.
You're good. And that's just because of the algorithm that they said, okay, up front, you're going to get this much. And then as time goes on, we'll give you a little bit. So,
you know, and that's actually a good thing because that prevents people from dumping it all when they first get it.
Exactly. But no, that was a pretty simple explanation on how to come view your current rewards for any of the crowd loans you participated in.